Hey girls, it's Sarah. Today I'm going to say something that might hurt a little. If he doesn't value you, it's not because you're not beautiful. It's not because you're not enough. It's because you're giving him everything without requiring anything. Yes, I said it. If you answer every call immediately, if you cancel plans for him, if you're always free when he's bored, you're teaching him that your time has no value. Men value what feels rare, not what feels guaranteed. He cancels last minute. He disappears for hours. He follows other girls publicly. It's okay, maybe I'm overthinking. No, you're not overthinking. You're underreacting. When you tolerate disrespect, you train him to repeat it. Let me ask you something. Why are you so scared to lose someone who isn't scared to lose you? When a woman acts from fear, she becomes easy to control, and she acts from confidence, she becomes unforgettable. You cook, you support, you understand, you forgive. Love is not something you earn by overworking. It's something you receive when you're aligned with the right person. Stop auditioning for the role of girlfriend. Either you're chosen or you walk away. A moment may make him your whole world. You lose mystery. You lose independence. You lose leverage. Men fall in love with women who have options, standards, and self-respect, not with women who are waiting by the phone. Pull your energy back. Stop chasing. Stop explaining yourself. Stop trying to convince someone to see your worth. Your value isn't up for debate. Let it go. If he wants you, he will step up. If he doesn't, he will step aside. And either way, you win. You don't keep a man by shrinking yourself. You keep a man by being the kind of woman he's afraid to lose. And if he loses you, trust me, he will feel it more than you think. If you're ready to stop begging for love and start attracting respect, like this video, and join me here on Sarah's Secrets. See you in the next one.